Well, it's a chilly Monday here, and I've just noticed that my wiper blade's starting to separate. I did notice when I went down to Stoke-on-Trent start of the week, and it wasn't clear in the middle, so that's needing replaced. So exactly the same as Adam's, you're basically going to pinch that and bring the latch up. So I'll need to do that with two hands. So I've obviously underestimated my own strength, so I've managed to break the clip. But anyway, it's come off, and then just a case of pulling it out, and that's it. So that was the part that happened to break off. But it's just very brittle. These, I'm sure these were from AliExpress. They were like £2 each or something. So, and they've been on for a good couple of years now. So this is, I think it's Tesco actually. Well, there you go. I got it reduced for £2 from Tesco. So it's a 24-inch blade, which should be the same as this, I believe. So we'll find out just now. There's the frost. It's still -degrees here actually. So anyway, it looks like it does actually fit the Kia. There you go, Kia Ceed. So it looks like a bit of a different kind of mechanism. Oh, that's the original one. It's a bit of a different mechanism on this, so I'm going to have to figure this out. Right, so on this one you push, there's a tab there and a tab here. You push that together and then it springs apart. So I'm assuming that the universal hook goes over this part. So let's see, this is definitely a job for the summer. I'm going to have to get that cleaned up. Right, I'm going to push that in my two hands. Looks like it's okay. And let's just double check. Yeah, it's the same length as the one I've just taken off. Well, we'll do something, we'll think outside the box and we'll have a look at the instructions. So, it's a Type D according to that, we just called it a universal hook. So there's instructions. The only thing is it comes with a couple of other bits and bobs that I think are surplus to requirements. But I'm actually just going to wipe that off and put a little bit of WD-40 on it. Well, I've given that a little bit of a clean off. As I say, I'll take this off in the summer and get it rubbed down and paint it. But for the time being, I shall just slip the blade back on. Right, so that's put in into the U, and then it's clipped down. So that's fine. And then I've got this trim piece, which looks like it goes on there. So I'm gonna probably should really do this with two. Right, that's clipped into place. So that's that. I had that box there just in case the metal part went onto the windscreen. Right, so that's that. Quick and easy job. I'm doing all this because I've got my MOT on Thursday, so just giving the car a quick clean out and hopefully it's okay. But I won't know until Thursday. So anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and beat the algorithm, etc. So anyway, Happy New Year to you all folks, and hope you're having a good one.